Hi there! So today we are going to be reviewing a couple of different things that we've gone over in the last couple of weeks. The first thing we're going to review is procedural text. Go ahead and say that with me, procedural text. Excellent job. So we're going to go ahead and review this and then talk about a couple of examples. So procedural texts tell how to do or make something, okay? So the text or story is usually set up with steps to follow. These steps need to be followed in chronological order. Remember, chronological order is we are going to follow first, second, third, fourth. We're going to follow them in order. We're not going to go out of order. It's going to be in order. So some examples of procedural texts are recipes like how to make sugar cookies or pumpkin pie, how-to books like how to babysit a grandpa or how to draw dinosaurs, how-to books, or maybe instructions for playing a game or instructions on how to put something together, all right? And these examples, you're going to be following steps in order to complete the recipe or to play correctly or to babysit your grandpa correctly, okay? Which I know this one's more just for fun, but I just went ahead and put that there. So the next thing is, let's talk about why is it important to know about procedural text. I'm going to give you a moment to think about this. All right, it is important that we know about procedural text because you may see them in your everyday life. For example, you may see them in the books you read, directions or instructions for an assignment, or how to do something like tie your shoes, right? So procedural text is in our everyday life. It comes in when you're doing your assignments for school on Google Classroom, sometimes the books you read or see, and then when you do everyday things like tying your shoes, you have to follow steps to do it correctly. All right, some key words you may see that are procedural text are first, next, then last, or for last you might see lastly or finally. These three, actually all these right here all mean the final step. Sometimes fourth doesn't mean the final step. It could be a fifth step. All right, and then you might see first, second, third. Okay, so I hope you like this little review over procedural text. And remember, procedural text tells how to do or make something. The text or story is usually set up with steps to follow. So you follow these steps in order from the first step, second, third, fourth, or first, next, then last. Okay.